Now that you've created and uploaded a banner for your YouTube channel, it's time to make a profile picture. This helps strengthen your channel's overall branding. But a profile picture does more than just support branding. It can also help your channel stand out, especially if you use a bright, bold color or a clear, simple logo. Take a look at the selection of channels I'm subscribed to on the left. The first two don't really stand out and just look like random blobs of color, but the next three stand out immediately, with bright backgrounds and a strong letter or logo. Having a profile picture that stands out makes it much easier for subscribers to spot your channel while scrolling through a long subscription list. Now that you understand why it matters, let's get started. YouTube recommends a 98 by 98 pixel image for your profile picture. However, I find that too small to design comfortably, so I prefer working at 400 by 400 pixels. This gives you more space and makes it easier to see details while designing. Even though 400 by 400 is a square, your profile picture will only appear as a circle. So the first thing you need to do is design within a circular area, because anything outside that circle won't be visible on YouTube. Start by creating a 400 by 400 pixel canvas. Then create a new layer and draw a circle inside the square, as large as possible without touching the edges. Fill that circle with a color. This will be the background for your profile picture. At this stage, you can add anything you like inside the circle, but I recommend keeping it simple. A single white letter or logo on a bright background is often the most effective and helps your channel stand out. Since profile pictures appear very small across devices, simple designs are much easier to see. Once you've finished designing, export your image. Next, go to your YouTube channel and click on your profile picture area. On the next screen, click Upload, locate your image, and select it. You'll then see a blue outline around your picture. This allows you to adjust what area will appear as your profile picture, which is helpful if you designed using a square canvas. Once you're happy with the positioning, click Done, then click Publish in the top right corner. Wait a few moments for it to update, then click View Channel. And that's it! You're done! In the next video, we'll go over adding channel information to help flesh out your channel and adjust some important background settings.